it's Morgan Yates, and I'm super excited for today's video because it is necessary. Please take a look at the background. We've got mess everywhere. I was recently sick, so things got a little messy then, and then in the days trying to catch up on work and everything I was behind on, cleaning was just like the bottom of the priority list. So I really need to clean up like surface level wise in general anyways, which is perfect for this video because I'm gonna be doing not only that, where we'll have some like satisfying cleaning time lapses. If you love those, there's gonna be plenty. But I also wanna do like a proper spring cleaning, like organizing, cleaning out, like purging my closet. I have a lot of organization to do. I bought a bunch of those exciting like organizer container contraptions to really do an organizational makeover of my fridge and my bathrooms, like all of the mess under the sinks in there in those drawers. What else? Oh, I have an exciting like kitchen DIY. I bought these like spice labels and like matching little spice jars so that can start to look really pretty. So a lot's on the agenda. I guess first thing, I'll give you a little overview of the downstairs because that is first up on the to-do list. I don't want to talk about these flowers. I pride myself on making like the cutest flower arrangements. Now include some examples so that we can actually believe that, but a bunch of my flowers were dying. This was like a pretty pink arrangement several days ago, and then some friends brought me these orange flowers that I love. I think they're so pretty by themselves. But since the arrangement was looking scarce, I just threw those in here. But moving throughout the house, I have just like some packages I need to sort through. Not a ton of mess here. Really, the kitchen is the kicker here right now. This has been where I've just been like throwing everything. This corner has become a hoarding zone for like clothes I've been ordering. The sink, this is bad. I never normally have dishes in the sink. It's because I need to empty the dishwasher and haven't even like had a second to do that. They're just trash or returns, or I don't even know what. I need to figure out what I have over here. And to try to make this a little bit more fun, I thought I would dress up a bit and be just in a comfy maxi. I've been really into maxi dresses lately, and I think they're comfier than sweats, so here we are. Also, before we kick things off downstairs, I wanted to thank CVS for partnering with me on this video. Specifically, I wanted to share a little bit about their CarePass membership, and if you're not familiar with it, basically you can join their CarePass program for only $5 a month or $48 for the entire year. You also get your first month free, and as a CarePass member, you actually get a $10 rewards promo each month, so the membership kind of pays for itself. But there are also some really great perks you get as a member that I love taking advantage of. I did for this video and for cleaning, and I do frequently as I am running low on time. And that is that you get free 1 to 2 day shipping on eligible CVS items. So I was running low on some cleaning supplies, picked up some of my favorite surface cleaner, the Mrs. Meyer's, picked up some Clorox wipes as well, more for like bathroom cleaning. I already opened these and got started, but just some of the Swiffer duster cloths, like the refill pack. And I didn't just get cleaning products, I also picked up like some collagen. You guys know my allergies have been insane this spring. I've been struggling, so I also just got some of the CVS Health brand allergy relief medicine. And another perk as a CarePass member is that you actually get 20% off all CVS Health and Live Better products. So that applies online and in stores. So I got 20% off of this allergy medication. I also picked up some sunscreen because I'm about to be heading to the desert. So just some SPF 50, really going in strong with the Live Better brand. So this was also at 20% off as well. So all these items are eligible for the free 1 to 2 day shipping. That alone saves me so much time and money and like not having to run to the store. CarePass members also get free same-day prescription delivery and access to a 24/7 pharmacist helpline. And again, all of that is in addition to that $10 monthly promo. So I'm gonna have my link below. You guys can join in store next time you're checking out, or you can also join online at my link in the description box and take advantage of your first month free. So thank you so much again to CVS for making my life so much easier. So let's just get started. I'm gonna be using these items almost immediately, and let's clean this place up. works just as well. Probably like almost 2 hours later, I don't really know. I'm entering the home stretch downstairs. I've done everything. I've dusted everything, like vacuum, straightened up as much as possible, did the baseboards, pretty much everything. Now I'm going to Swiffer mop the floors. All right, so ignoring the boxes over there, here's what we're working with. Much cleaner, just finished mopping the floors, and then just need to do the final kitchen touches. My favorite time of day is like a couple hours before sunset when the sun is just coming through. Next up, we go upstairs. All right, so bringing this to the bedroom where I did not make my bed today. I typically do, but I'm gonna make it up at 5 p.m. right now and put away my laundry. Basically, I just have a bunch of clothes on the ground. It's not anything too crazy. And then my bathroom products in there that I've been leaving on the counter. So let's get this cleaned up. I'm gonna do a little vacuum, but the room's clean. Just threw my watch and phone there. So now we have a clean base for my room and I'm feeling pretty good. The rest of the house is clean. So now I'll start with the exciting like organizational projects. However, it is the end of the day. The sun is coming in. It's like about to be sunset and I'm gonna lose my lighting. So I'm gonna pick this up tomorrow for spring cleaning day 2. Welcome to day 2. So first task for today, picking it back up in my bedroom. I'm gonna do a little closet clean out. I'm not trying to be too extreme with this. I'm not trying to act like I'm a minimalist who's cleaning out everything that like I haven't touched in the past month or whatever. But I do want to just like free up a little bit of room because certain areas in my closet, you know, I'm running low on hangers. Certain areas are just a little tight. And I know for sure I have things that I just like do not wear, do not need, do not fit, whatever. I just have not, since I moved into this house in September, like literally gone through much of anything. So I think that will be good today. So starting on this half of my closet. So I have two of these same closets basically in my room. So this one has like sweatshirts, hoodies. Down here it's like blazers, dressier tops, jackets, and then like sweaters down here. So let's see. I have 2 white sweatshirts, like why? And I don't even know which one to get rid of, and the thing is I wear neither of them. I think I'm gonna go with cutting this one because it looks a little smaller. Alright, we cut one. Like shocking the stuff that I held on to. Also, this lighting's crazy. I'm looking like a ghost. This jacket needs to go like way too small and fitted. Let's never bring that back. And then it's like teddy jacket nation out here. Apparently I have 3 that I have not worn. I know I like this one. That's probably the only one I need to keep. This one is a new. Now I can get rid of these pants right off the bat. They're like a knit stretchy pant. Hello sun and hello dust. I don't know where all that dust is from because I had already dusted this place top to bottom. What? I just got a new pair of pants that are like longer than these, that are basically the same, like a ribbed little stretchy pair. The new ones are more flattering, so bye-bye. I feel like all of these can go. I have so many pairs of like leather. That whole section about to go. That pair's okay. All All right, here is what I landed on. Not the most, not the least, you know, like I feel good. This is like a lot of stuff to clear out of my closet. And I freed up some room, some more hangers. I think this is like, I don't know, 25 to 30 things. So things aren't quite as tight in the closet anymore. So I feel better about that. And that is like the main thing I was wanting, and freeing up more hangers. So closet clean out, check. So I thought it'd be really fun and cute to make all of my spice jars look the same. Like I see so many people do that, and get just those like matching labels, matching jars. And I ran with it. I ordered the jars. I have 30. I got like the little funnel to funnel the spices into the jars. And I ordered a custom set of spice labels, like based on what I have here and what I thought maybe I would ever purchase. So yeah, I was really excited to do that today. And then I just went looking everywhere, and the labels are nowhere to be found. Like they weren't with the jars. I've searched everywhere in this kitchen, every single place I can think of, and I can't find it. So I'm like, did they get thrown away? So unfortunately, we're going to be tabling the spice organization project for right now. I'm just gonna do that in a vlog coming up on my vlog channel. It's a little bit later. I put my hair up. I've changed my hair so many times today. I'm actually about to head out of town, so I'm like shooting a bunch of things at the same time, hence the ever-changing look. My travels are also a reason. I've been like wanting to do a little spring clean, you know, because I feel like the next like month or two of my life is just going to be chaos, and I want to come home feeling like great about my space. So with that in mind, you know, I'm a little crunched for time, so this is like a realistic spring cleaning video. I feel like I'm not overhauling my entire house. So a mini task for right now that I'm also excited about. Throughout time, I feel like I've been buying these like an assortment of these like acrylic storage baskets, like fridge organization tools. I will show you what I've done so far. So I got a bunch of little acrylic bins and labeled them with these little stickers. So just like based on category, because all my food has just been like tucked away with no organization under these cabinets. And this has been a game changer of having these like easy to pull out bins that are labeled and everything can have a place. So this side is looking a little rougher because I thought it'd be so cute to put things in jars and things. However, it's like everything you put in these, it doesn't fit perfectly. Like you gotta have your little restock sections, which are the things at the back. But, and like, I don't even know if this side's not as good. Been wanting to do like a whole overhaul of my fridge. I got one of these like cutie containers for your eggs. I'm not even gonna show you all of my fridge right now because I don't have the means and the supplies today to like actually make this perfect. But I guess like one little thing I bought specifically with the fridge in mind is gonna solve a big problem for me are these like stackable like wine bottle, like any kind of big like beverage, I suppose, holders for that. Like right now I have these things that are just like always rolling around whenever I go to like take out my coffee. So I'm hopeful that using these to organize a little bit better will prevent the inevitable of like a glass bottle's gonna roll out and like shatter. So now I need to rearrange things to relocate the things that were over here. But at least I like now have a place that's designated for like my big bottles, and those won't be breaking. So we love that. One day this is all gonna get fixed, but today's not the day. I also picked up more of these like big bins for organizing under some bathroom sinks. I don't know what happened to me where I thought that this thing was like a bigger size as well as a 2-pack. It's like a little drawer. So welcome to the under the bathroom sink. This under the cabinet situation is a mess. It's mostly like makeup. I have like nail things, face masks, like backup products. This is mostly like extra things that is like my restock area, if that makes sense. I think I'm just gonna take everything out and we're gonna wing it. The good thing right now is that things are somewhat organized by category. I've just like used every leftover like pouch and like things like that to kind of separate out different makeup products. So things are kind of separated, but just like the clutter of it all is driving me crazy. So I think for this first bin, I'm seeing a lot of like extra shampoos, face washes, like things like that. So I'm gonna put those in here because those can go at like the very back, kind of like tucked behind things because I don't reach for these too often. I think I might just leave all my face masks in this existing bin. I've literally been rebuying makeup products that I didn't even realize that I already had backups for. honestly, this is looking pretty good. This is like very product heavy, so it's never gonna look like uncluttered, but the back one is like the restocks of things like I said. This bin is like hair and makeup products. This is like all my glittery makeup, my nail stuff, face masks, and then nail polishes I put here. And then all those pouches I just put inside this one bag so that they can be handy for like packing for travels. And I had one bin left over, so I need to order some more because I thought in this video that I could also get to organizing under the sink in my half bathroom downstairs. However, I'm gonna have to order some more bins for that. So we still have some projects in the works, and that's just gonna take place in the future on my vlog channel since I have to order stuff for that. And again, I'm going out of town and I wanna get this video up. So I guess that brings me to the end of my spring cleaning video. I am feeling good, like certain areas are more organized that I've been procrastinating on for a really long time and just haven't prioritized. So I'm feeling good. Hopefully this was at least satisfying to watch, or maybe gave you a little bit of cleaning inspiration as well. Again, if you want to check out CVS CarePass, I'm gonna have that linked in the description box. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.